Hey, welcome to Performance Reviews, where I give you a review from the technician's point of view. And today I have a Sebo Airbelt K, thanks to our Patreon supporters. Your support has let the channel buy this Sebo Airbelt K. So first up, disclaimer, I do have access to Sebo's wholesale as I have a dealership, but they have not paid me or endorsed this video. And secondary, I blame you, House of Vacuums, because I was going to order one of these, decided not to at the last moment, and then I saw the video and I just had to have it. I had to have one. It's so weird in German, I had to have it. So let's unwrap this European wonder. As you can see, the box is very meticulous. Now, I'm going to open this from my side of the box. I prefer to do it from the bottom, and I'm going to show you why. You can see just how perfectly packed everything is. You just have to admire that from Sebo. But, bam. Everything just kind of dumps out. So let's see what we got here. First of all, we got a wand, and this wand is kind of greasy. It's full of oil. I'm surprised. So, stainless steel wand. Very quirky. I love it. And we have the dusting brush. We have a spare bag with no bag cap. How about that? We have a manual and Sebo America, where I actually drove to Sebo America and picked this one up, along with some other ones that were business related. But this one is mine. Oh, I take it back. We do have a cap. Okay, so if you're not sure what this is a straight suction model, and they give you this wonderful like gas pump, but still very slim handle. Very strange, very different. What is also weird and different about this is there is accommodation for an electrical dongle that is not included with this, or nor did we ever get that in North America to my knowledge, but it's there. We get a Sebo branded Vesselwerk TK286, my favorite turbo nozzle. And if you were not aware of the TK286, I've got one right here. A non-Sebo branded one. So to have a Sebo branded one is kind of cool. And then the Sebo branded one has the docking station. And I've had this TK286 that Vesselwerk gave me, I want to say like 3 years now. You can go see. But I've had it a while and I've used the heck out of it. I really like it. So, next thing they give you is just your standard floor tool. I am not going to use this. I'm not even going to take this out of the package. This floor tool is never going to get used. I'm going to use their premium tool. I'll, again, put a video there, but I prefer the premium tool. Okay, enough of me yapping. Let's see what's here. Oh, is that not gorgeous? Is this like volcano red, lava red? What the hell do they call this? Let me read the box. Black cherry. It's black cherry. That's right. It's black cherry. And it has this ginger, ugly, fugly, but looks great with his bumper. I love it. And yeah, we have a speed control there. All right. That was the thing I wasn't quite sure if this had. That's super weird. And then we have a crevice tool right here as well. And then, of course, because it's a Sebo K, when you want to use the crevice tool, you have to put the upholstery tool on the end when you want to do stairs. Super weird. Don't know why they did that. I would like to talk to the German engineer who thought that up. All right, we just have the regular filter in there. They do make a better filter you can get. And they make like a service box as well. We got this. And what's cool about this is you can actually take the cover / caster wheel off and get to that. Gets the pre-motor filter. Everything just smells new, and it's nice. A cool feature of this machine is this whole grate thing is on here, so that when you try to slam, let me do it. I can get it on. It's weird to do this. All right, so Look at that. Look at, I can slam that guy, and it's just not going to let me close until I put the bag on. And once we put the bag on, again, slide that on there, like so. You just want, when you take the cover off, you just want to lift the bag. And now, no problem. Really smart engineering. The other thing, we're going to clip this on. Yeah, this adds a swivel here that's not here on the electric head models. And if you're unaware, I love straight suction canisters. I don't know what it is about a straight suction canister, but I absolutely love it. The other thing that's super weird is there's a gap right here that you don't see on the, again, the K3 because there's electrical stuff going on. Anyways, let's plug her in for the first time and give her a listen. And what's interesting about this is this power button, it has, you can feel it, it indexes in there, but it doesn't actually make much noise. It's really interesting. It's a real tactile thing. And it's just your power button right there. That's super cool. Now, the dusting brush on this machine is kind of an afterthought. Again, I'm not exactly sure what's going on in Sebo, Germany, but the dusting brushes seem to always be an add-on with some of the Sebo cleaners. And I'd kind of like to know why that is. So if anybody can cue me in, I would love to hear why that is. So it looks like on this one, the dusting brush goes in this groove here. I'm not so sold on that whole idea. Anyway, so that's how the dusting brush goes in. And there's the adapter to clip it on. I'm probably not even going to put this on. This is probably going to go back in the bag. And for those of you who are new to the channel, I have a collection of vacuum cleaners. So this really isn't going to get much use. Anyways, so that is the K. Let's see how much suction the damn thing gets. So 40 inches of working vacuum is a pretty healthy number. Now I'm going to cue you all into a little secret. Your Sebo dealer can order from Sebo this genuine metal Sebo 35mm to 1.25" or 32mm adapter if for some reason you wanted to use other accessories. Like, say, I don't know, a battery-operated power brush. Anyways, I'm I'm just so excited to have this, and I've now got my thumbprints all over this. So I guess you probably want to see it vacuum a little bit. Let's do that. I just want to mention that this machine has parking positions both rear and underneath. So when you do need to store this in a closet, it's quite convenient. And it has a nice carrying handle right here. Now this is just an unboxing and first look. So I've just thrown some pet hair and some breakfast cereal on my low pile carpet down here to see how it does. And if you're not aware, this is like a low pile or area rug and hard floor machine. When I say low pile, realistically, you're not going to see pile this low in your house. It's more for like office building low pile, if that gives you an idea. But let's see how it does. Well, I hope you got something out of this unboxing video, At least I hope this answers what this machine comes with and what you can expect out of the box from this Sebo K. Now, if you want to get a Sebo K, I recommend you check out your local dealer. I'll put a link below to that. If you really like what we're doing, go ahead and hit that bell notification and that thumbs up. That helps us out a whole lot. And if you want to talk about vacuum cleaners, we do that all day long down below in our Discord. Feel free to check that out as well. Thanks for watching. Have yourself a wonderful day.